Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, January 9th, 2018. Hope you had a good trading day. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract, the daily chart of the broad market and futures form. Remember, we started out the year with 3 days up and even a fourth day up, a little bit on Friday and today, but not much. But here's the key here. We've got a 13 seeker sell signal in place, exhaustion signal anyways, now as well. So we'll see if that leads to something. We'll also take a look at what that does on the cash indices. Let's go through the majors and then we'll talk about the setups for tomorrow. Crude oil up 49.50 to 62.22. It's a new closing high for the last year on crude oil. Gold down $30.10. S&P cash index up $4.56. Note that there's no 13 sell signal or anything near it. We're only 6 up on the S&P cash. So it's just the futures index daily chart that has that. NASDAQ has nothing here either. It was up 23. The SOX was up 9, still holding under that 13 sell signal from back at the end of last year. Biotech's down 48, rolled over actually quite a bit today. The VIX gains 30 cents, closes at 9.52. The trend up closes at 1.13. That puts the 10-day moving average at 0.98, so that's not a sell signal on the market. NASDAQ volume 2 billion shares. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 100. Now, plus 10, sorry, the moving average, 10-day moving average is at plus 100. And on the New York, plus 479. Interesting that on the NASDAQ, that 10-day moving average with the last 5 days, the first 5 days of the year so far, really barely positive. Google up $3.92, new closing high. Apple loses back 65 cents. Hasn't really closed at a new high since back in November. Amazon up $17.73, again, a new closing high. Netflix up 2. Tesla up $19.83, rebounding off of a recent pullback. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 8 cents. Goldman Sachs loses $3.71. That does not look good there. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action. So this is 5-minute candles. You can see we had a kind of a flat opening, and just the first 2 hours was just dead. And then right in the middle of lunch, we drifted up, and then the back 2 hours was just dead. So really nothing happened. NASDAQ side, a little more positive early, but then dead the rest of the day. I mean, untradeable in a 10-point range for 5 hours at the back end of the day. So things are really not that exciting. And again, it's the middle of the week we like to focus on anyway. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday should have been the better trading opportunities for the week. And we will see if that's what we get. In terms of economic data coming out, we've got the NFIB Small Business Index at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. JOLTS job openings at 10 a.m. And then the IBD tip economic number comes out at some point. Excuse me. And that's it. So we'll have a pure straight trading day. See if that 13 sell signal on the broad market futures comes into play. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.